Good morning, Standard 8 students. You know we are in chapter 2, that is the kinds of sentence. In my last video, I explained about the simple sentence. But today, in this video, I am going to explain about the more two kinds of sentence, that is the compound sentence and complex sentence. So, let's start. Now, Standard 8 students, you can see over here compound sentence. Read the following sentences. I did not like him, but I had to give him company. The thief saw the police and ran away. Each of the above the sentences has two clauses and they are independent also like. I did not like him. I had to give him company. See, there are two clauses. That is, I did not like him. I had to give him company. In the second example, you see, the thief saw the police. The thief ran away. In each example, two sentences are joined together, that is compounded by words but and respectively. Hence, they are compound sentences. A compound sentence is a group of words which has two or more clauses joined together by coordinating conjunctions such as and, but, yet, or, well, as well as both, still, either or, neither nor, etc. More examples of compound sentences. This is a beautiful gift, but I cannot take it. Mohan worked hard and he got the first position. Rohan Datta is dishonest, yet he was elected. You can wait or go. So here all these two clauses are joined by the coordinating conjunctions such as but, and, yet, or. Now let's come to the complex sentence. Read the following sentences. I went to play after I had finished my homework. This sentence consists of two clauses. I went to play is the main clause. After I had finished my homework, it is a subordinate clause. Hence, the subordinate clause depends on the main clause for its meaning. In other words, subordinate clause cannot convey its meaning without the main clause. Therefore, the sentence is an example of a complex sentence. So, you see, the subordinate clause is mainly based on the main clause. Without the main clause, the subordinate clause is not having any meaning. A sentence which consists a main clause and one or more subordinate clause is called complex sentence. So here you can see that in complex sentence there should be main clause and one or more subordinate clauses. We can change a simple sentence into a complex or compound sentence. Similarly, we can change a compound sentence into a simple or complex sentence and a complex sentence into a simple or compound sentence. For example, hearing the strange sounds, the man ran away. It is a simple sentence. The man heard the strange sounds and ran away. So what kind of sentence it is? It is a compound sentence. When the man heard the strange sounds, he ran away. It is a complex sentence. Here we understand that a compound sentence can be changed into a simple sentence by turning the main clause into a phrase and into a complex sentence by turning the main clause into a subordinate clause. A complex sentence can be changed into a simple sentence by turning the subordinate clause into a phrase. So standard 8 students, I hope you have understood the simple sentence, compound sentence and complex sentence that I taught you. So wait for the next video where I will upload more about this sentence and I will give the exercise to do and we will go to the next exercise. So stay with me for the next video. Thank you.